Looking for the perfect groomsman gift? Well, the search might just be over. Recently, Etsy, the global marketplace for unique and creative goods, has been making headlines with its array of groomsmen gifts that are flying off the shelves. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy these amazing gifts. One such product is a personalized toiletry bag, crafted from full-grain leather, cotton fabric, and secured with a brass zipper. This bag, available in vintage brown, dark brown, and black, has been in high demand, with 7 purchases in the last 24 hours alone. Not only does this item offer a 40% discount off its original price for a limited time, but it can also be customized with engravings or logos, making it a truly unique and personal gift. However, it's not just the product that's gaining attention. The seller, Jack Leather Studio, is a star seller, known for providing a great customer experience. Despite a few minor hiccups with some scratches and scuffs reported on the bags upon arrival, the overall quality of the product and the seller's communication and speedy delivery have been greatly praised. Now let's not forget about Etsy's other offerings. The platform offers personalized picks for weddings, including bridesmaid gifts, wedding gifts, and of course, groomsmen gifts. So, if the toiletry bag doesn't quite fit the bill, there are plenty more options out there. So, to sum things up, Etsy is currently a hotspot for groomsmen gifts, with personalized toiletry bags leading the way. The site's star sellers like Jack Leather Studio are providing high-quality, unique products that are proving popular among shoppers. With a variety of options available and the ability to personalize your picks, it's no surprise that Etsy is making waves in the wedding planning world. And there you have it, the latest news on groomsmen gifts on Etsy. Whether you're planning a wedding or just in search of the perfect gift, Etsy's array of options might just have what you're looking for. Stay tuned for more updates and happy shopping. Remember to check out the link in the description below to buy these amazing gifts.